Okay, today we are playing Just Tornadoes 2. Let's get in. Okay, so my helpers are going to EF5. Let me get my phone.
Where is Dylan?
Wrong one. Let me get.
Yeah, Dylan, there you go.
Okay, now I got my car.
We gotta get the same car.
Okay. I'll just get this one. Okay, we're going.
No, it ain't.
Okay, so there's some tornadoes coming in. There's
Dylan, we
one,
gotta go
two,
to Zayden.
three.
We gotta go.
3 tornadoes in.
Where did you go? Cutting natural. Where did you go? Cutting natural. Party after.
We're going for that one right there.
No, where are you?
I cannot see. Yo, there's my helpers.
But I see you, Zayden. Are you in that one?
Wow, I'm flying up in the sky.
Then
I'm in 2 tornadoes.
Run to the tornado. I was in the tornado. It just sucked me. It's sucking me in.
The second tornado is coming in. There's 10 twin tornadoes, I think. Need to go.
That broke me.
Okay, so there's one right up ahead there. Okay, you guys are coming right through it. Okay, we're turning in this way. Okay.
Bro, Zane, why are you crashing to me, bro?
I'm getting pushed in.
Why are you crashing to me? Bro, what the freak are you doing?
There, my lights are on. You can see them.
Yeah, my lights. You can see that? I'm gonna go to that tornado over there.
Going to this tornado.
Get sick.
Okay.
Oh, I get sucked in. I'm stuck.
Oh my gosh.
I'm stuck. Get me out of this car. Nah, guys, I'm stuck for life. I died. I'm stuck. Died. Stuck to that. Died.
Okay, we're going in. This is only day 1. Okay, we're driving.
I was driving. Is that was you that passed me?
I don't know.
Wait for me. Was that you? Yeah, that was you. Was you going straight or did you turn?
We went.
You went straight. Okay, this way?
Yes, yeah. I think yeah, that's where.
Yes.
Our other helpers coming in.
Hold on that pom-pom. Alright, here you go.
Okay, we're going. We're in the city of whatever.
you just turn?
Yeah, we turned.
Okay.
We're turning.
We gotta turn.
We turning.
So we gotta turn.
Turn it, yeah.
Oh, why wouldn't you
We're
turn?
turning. Turn it.
Turn our lights on so I can see. Where are you? Where did you turn?
I'm going straight for the tornado. I'm going straight for it. Nancy.
Done, let's go. I'm right behind you guys.
Okay, we're going.
Okay. No, Don, you're last. You're not going any faster. Zayden just went straight. Right, Zayden?
Yes, I went straight.